Now, the fourth rule says that the nouns that ends in F or FE, what you will have to do, you'll have to replace F or FE and use VES to form its plural. For example, I have a word leaf and its plural is leaves. Means you had removed F and added VES to it. Same is the case with life. Spelling of life is LIFE and plural of life is lives. So F is removed by VES. Thief will become thieves. Wife will become wives. Loaf will become loaves. Half will become halves, and so on. So this is the fourth rule of singular and plurals. Now the fifth rule says, if a word ends with a consonant and Y, what you will have to do? You will have to remove Y and add IES to it. For example, butterfly. The ending alphabets of butterfly is L, that is a consonant, plus Y. And the plural of butterfly is butterflies. So LY, Y is removed by IES. Similarly, city. The spelling of city is CITY. So the ending alphabets are T, that is a consonant, plus Y. And what is its plural? Cities. The spelling of cities is CITIES. So Y is removed by IES. This is the fifth rule of consonants. For example, candy will become candies. Butterfly will become butterflies. Story will become stories. Duty will become duties. Family will become families. Diary will become diaries, and so on. So this is the fifth rule of singular and plurals. Now the sixth rule. The sixth rule says, if a noun ends with a vowel plus Y, what you will have to do to make it plural? Just add S to it. For example, key. The spelling of key is KEY. E is a vowel plus Y. So what is the plural of it? KEYS, that is keys. Same is the case with boy. Boy will become boys. Ray will become rays. Valley will become valleys. Monkey will become monkeys, and so on. Now the seventh rule. See children, there are some words, or you can say there are some nouns that don't follow such rules. Means the 6 rules that you studied earlier, these words don't follow these rules. For example, this you had studied in your earlier classes also, in one and many. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Louse, lies. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. So these words don't follow any of the rule of singulars and plurals, but still they have their plurals. Now student, in the rule 4, what you have studied, that if a word or a noun ends with F or FE, what you will have to do to make it plural? You'll have to remove F and add VES to it. So there are some exceptions also in these rules. For example, chief. Chief word also ends with alphabet F, but plural of it doesn't add any VES. Chief will become chiefs. Proof will become proofs. Roof will become roofs. Now scarf. In scarf, you can write scarves FS also and scarves VES also. In hoof, you can write hoofs also FS and VES also, hooves. Same is the case with dwarf. You can write dwarfs also or you can write dwarfs also. So these are some of the exception. I hope you must have understood the singular and plurals and its rules. Keep on revising, keep on practicing so that this concept will be cleared in your mind. Thank you and have a nice